Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Anya, and for today's video I really want to show you how to make some pizza scrolls. It's a really interesting recipe since it's a cross between a cinnamon roll and pizza, so it's like a savory cinnamon roll. So I hope you enjoy the video. Please let me know if there's any recipes you'd like to see me try on the channel. Just leave them in the comment section below and I will love to make them for you on the channel. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment and subscribe, and onto the video.